You don't just want a car, you want a sanctuary. Introducing the all-new Aetherus sedan with whisper-quiet cabin technology and an interior designed around you. It's not just about getting to your destination. It's about arriving inspired. Aetherus. Move beautifully.
YPD requesting any audio or video they probably unresponded to. There may or may, I don't know if there is any video or not, but my request for any video has gone unanswered. I have no issue with setting it for a PE. If something turns up, we'll cross that bridge when we get there.
You can dismiss it.
Well, I realize is there a reason to believe that there is video?
Yeah.
Okay, and the people you requested, Mr. Brown, people have requested a YPD and they just have not.
They're ignoring you.
I'm used to that, but
I guess, Mr. Childers, to the extent that they're not, there's no response. Is that?
the response is not that there is no video, there's just no response.
Then if
I suppose if the court wishes, I could elevate my email to see if I email command staff, if they may respond, I don't know. It's certainly worth a shot. If we want, in an effort to keep the case moving along, I can stay out until the end of September, and I can continue my efforts.
well, I don't know why it's one thing if there's an issue getting discovery. This is a whole other realm where they're not responding to a legitimate discovery request. And I'm not trying to disparage any department, but the last time I ran into this was with YPD. And I ultimately ended up dismissing the case. All right, here's what we'll do. She wants to say something with her law degree.
Yeah.
I don't think she does. The people around you are doing just fine. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set so as not to impact the defendant's rights. I'm going to set the preliminary examination. Mr. Brown, prepare an order for my signature that directs that YPD is to turn over all video. I will set this examination for the 17th. It is the 4th. So I'm going to need it right away so that there's time. But that they're to turn over all video to the Washington County Prosecutor's Office by the 11th. And if they then, that will go under my signature. That way, if they then fail to do what I'm ordering them to do, then the court will take appropriate remedies.
Your Honor, from a logistical standpoint, once that order is signed, would you like for me to send that order along to YPD?
Yes, please. Preliminary examination in this matter will indicate discovery is not complete, but preliminary examination in this matter will be set in person September 17th, 2024, 9 a.m. That will be before me. And then bond will continue. Now, given all of that, ma'am, is there something you wanted to say?
She was trying to leave and go to the, get on the bus, and there was some contact, so we had to contact Pittsfield Police to make a narrative report that she was not in violation of any court orders. I have a copy of it if you'd like.
Hold on,
Just like to be able to get on the bus.
hold on. You gotta catch me up because that was today.
No, that was the last time.
22nd.
22nd.
Mrs. Morgan, approaching.
Just hold on. Okay, you're good.
You don't have
So, well, I just want to make sure I'm clear. You got on the bus. You were, okay, but in any event, you ended up on the bus, right? All right.
Because Ms.
Hey,
Morgan,
but hold it, just hold on a moment, okay? And then at some point, the alleged victim in this case came into contact with her.
Yes.
As I'm to understand, based upon what you said, Mr. Brown, she then contacts the police.
She comes back here, asks for my advice, so.
Got it. That's it. I don't want to know what you two discussed. But out of that, there then is generated a report from Pittsfield.
Yes.
Got it. And so your concern, ma'am, is that somehow the court may try to hold you responsible for that conduct. Okay, I have not seen the report. I do not think that I need to see it. Okay. I'm going to make a presumption as to the advice that Mr. Brown gave you. I think that was absolutely appropriate advice. And should the issue arise, then I would review that report and I would take that all into consideration. All right. But at this point, I am not going to do anything. I don't have a complaint that you've done anything. And so I'm not going to make one. Fair enough?
I need time to get on the bus again. Not leave out the courtroom and then get.
Okay. All right. Listen, just listen. Mr. Brown gave you advice, okay, regarding a situation that you had, I guess, last time that you were here, right? So it would seem to me, would it not, that should you leave and that same or similar type of thing happen, that you would then follow the advice that your attorney gave you? And I kind of indicated to you at this point how I'm looking at it. Okay? I know it may worry you, but I think follow what your attorney is telling you. All right? Okay, anything else you want to yell at me about?
I just want to have time to leave. Again, and not have to get me something.
Not what?
I don't want to have the same issue that happened last time I was here. And you asked Ms. Morgan to sit and wait for it. No.
Okay, hold on. Where is Miss Morgan here?
Just, you know,
Okay, you need to sit down.
can I say something?
No. All right. So you need to get on the bus. Okay, stop for a moment. Miss Morgan, do you need to get on the bus?
Yeah, the bus have video, did nothing happen, I got off the bus.
Okay,
The bus have video, she's lying.
And I'm going to presume you both take the same bus.
I don't have a
Okay.
choice.
I wish you would stop yelling up here at me. Mr. Feaster? I'm not going to ask you to drive anybody, so don't tell me. No, I'm just, so, okay, here's the thing I do not know. and I'm going to maybe potentially embarrass myself. I have not taken a bus. Well, no, I don't, wow. But I just haven't. And so I know that when I get on a bus, or when I did, but it is so long, the dinosaur was pulling it. But anyway, it just took me downtown, and I had to find another bus. And I just told myself I'm not doing all that. So that's why it's my limitation. How often do the buses come to where you would have to pick the bus up, get the bus? Every 15 minutes across the street. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay? This time around, you get the first 15 minutes. Remind me the next time, then you'll get the first 15 minutes, and then you gotta wait and take the next bus. Huh? Oh, so now you took up all my time, now you wanna leave? No, go, just go. That's what we're gonna do. You go, don't get up, Miss Morgan, do not get on that same bus. Do not get on that. That's fine. I don't want you both on that same bus.
Still approaching me and sending threats to me, Your Honor, and that is the process.
Then you report that to the prosecutor's office. They will raise.
I told him again.
Before me in a proper way by the people, I will deal with it, much like I said I would deal with her issue. But right now, I want you to take the next bus. The next time around, you'll get the first shot at the bus. She'll wait. Thank you. Okay, hold on. Where's Brown? Oh, great. And there's Easto. Did you see Ron Brown out there?
Even then, you head to the park.
Oh, Lord. Okay. I just need to know that his client left. Could somebody?
He's going to the bus.
Who?
Mr. Brown and his client are walking from the bus stop.
They're going together. Oh, beautiful. All right.
I can't.
Thank you for your participation, Mr. Easto. See, you weren't here. So, can somebody just look out there, try to make sure they got on the bus, and then I can let Miss Morgan go.
Ms. Jordan's going to confirm that, Your Honor. She'll be right back.
Thank you. I'm afraid to call the next case. Court calls case, People versus Justin Walters.
Judge, good morning to you and your staff, Lillian Diallo, P52036, on behalf of Mr. Walters, who is present to my right, very Natalie dressed as well. Thank you for coming to court, looking like you're coming to court.
Well, how come you didn't step in and help me just, anyway, no, never mind. All right, you're requesting and you were just retained on this, counsel.
I filled out one of those very complimentary green forms that go very well with my outfit.
Why, you know, and we should have picked a different color. I'm just telling you. I know.
So Judge, we're just asking for a brief adjournment.
Yes.
So I can get discovery. If there's any digital video discovery, we can ask for that as well.
All right. 3 weeks, maybe? 2 or 3 weeks? What would you like?
Let's see, the best time for me would be two.
The 19th would be,
Yeah.
all right.
What time?
I set it at 9. You'll get an invite indicating your time block that you're,
Okay,
all right?
no worries.
September 19th, 2024. 9 a.m. Bound will continue.
Very good. Will your staff have a wonderful day?
You do the same. So you gotta set it for the next block? Oh, okay, then I finished that block. Is the bus stop okay? So you go out there and check on the bus stop. I'm gonna take a break.